Look, she's a bit tidier, but still has work to do. Huh, Joanna? My dad used to say there's always a system when you pack the bags, but probably not in our case, because if we look in the bags, what is in there? It's all stacked up, and this has to go in there still. For me, that definitely is a system. Nobody can see that system. As long as I can see it, that's okay. We're gonna set up now. The packs are collected from Joe, and what we do, you don't see this very often, that she really out of herself starts to pump. Oh my god, what's happening today? Normally that's my job. Don't you think that is her job every time? Because every time when this happens. Maurice, can you please pump? How do we clip the
waterproof bag?
Oh.
Then I'm going to attach my laptop bag.
That's secure? Never had it fall off? No problem? No? I do actually the same system than on my bike. You will see that in a bit. There's one thing that I cannot miss, and that's my coffee cup. Wherever I go, whenever I stop coffee, I have it always in handy. That goes on my steer. And last but not least, we need to basically also have some water, because in this tropical climate, water is just necessary. You can also stop for, what's it called? Coconuts, they're quite cheap. Or you can have, we have that always in our bag. These things, they are electrolytes, right? Oh, are you awake yet?